Hey guys, we received this 5-gallon white bucket pail container with lid for test and try. These are the food grade, heavy duty, 90 mil extra durable with the metal handles. The plastic grip for easy carrying and multiple use, easy stack and store plastic buckets. So as you can see, this have this lock feature as well, and very nice with the bucket thing, solid and really solid build as I can feel it here, with a nice metal handle with this cushion on the top with the plastic. So here you can easily store heavy material in it, and then say around 13.38 inches in length, 11.9 in width, and around 12 on the top. So the handle or the cover itself is a really nice durable material with a food grade storage, airtight lid, and then a space saving as well. So overall, a really nice bucket thing. So I'm just putting in some food storage thing inside and see like how this looks. So it easily is able to handle this and then fits really well on the top as well. So very nice buckets and space saving as well as to keep your food and stuff in it.